In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your IP address on Hostinger. Whether you're working with a standard website or managing a VPS, finding your IP address is a straightforward task, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to locate it. Let's jump right in. If you're looking to find the IP address for one of your websites hosted on Hostinger, the first step is to log into your Hostinger account. Now, once you're logged in, look toward the main section of your dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate over to the website section. This area serves as a hub for all of your hosted sites, helping you to manage and control every aspect easily. When you find the website you'd like to examine, click on the dashboard button for that particular site. This will take you to a more detailed overview of all the important features and settings related to that website. Once you're in the website dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This will be your navigation guide. Here you should see something labeled as Plan Details. Click on that. This section provides a detailed account of your hosting plan, where you'll find an array of useful information. Now, under the Website Details section, you'll see your website's IP address proudly displayed. It's that simple. This number is essential for a variety of tasks, from setting up redirects to accessing the server directly. For those of you managing a virtual private server, or VPS, the process is just as straightforward. Start by logging into your H-panel, which is your all-in-one control panel for managing your VPS. From the home interface, look for the VPS section. You'll see this listed clearly on the dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. Now within the VPS section, you will encounter a list of your active servers. Find the server you want to manage and click the Manage button next to it. This action will take you to a page filled with details and settings about your VPS. Here, your VPS IP address will be displayed clearly. It's typically located right next to the server status or at the top of the VPS information tab. This is your gateway to many other functions like connecting via SSH or setting up a firewall. In conclusion, finding your IP address on Hostinger, whether for a regular hosting plan or a VPS, is a task you can accomplish within minutes. Remember that each IP address is unique to its respective server or website, acting much like a digital address, so safeguarding it is important. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in your journey with Hostinger. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy web hosting!